Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today again I have come with another pachadi recipe. All you need is some coriander leaves and tomatoes. So let's get started. Separate the roots from the stem and wash them thoroughly. After washing, chop them finely. After chopping your coriander leaves, wash your tomatoes and chop them too. These ingredients are required for your pachadi. Take a pan or a kadai. Add 8 to 10 tablespoons of olive oil or any vegetable oil. As the oil heats, add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and 2 tablespoons of jeera seeds. Now add these cloves, garlic cloves. Give them a stir. Now it's time to add some green chillies and fry these in medium flame. As these ingredients are cooked, now it's time to add these chopped coriander leaves. Stir them for a few minutes, as coriander leaves doesn't need much time to cook. After 5 minutes, this is how your coriander leaves looks. Now it's time to add your chopped tomatoes. Give it a nice stir and lid it for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep the flame in medium and keep checking your tomatoes. You need to cook more. So lid it for another 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, this is how it looks. For this recipe guys, you need less coriander and more of tomatoes. Keep stirring guys. You need to cook for some more time. Now no need to put the lid, you can cook without lid. After 10 minutes of cooking, this is how it looks. So turn off the flame and let it cool. Now take into a mixer jar and grind it into a fine paste. This is how the pachadi looks. Now we need to add some tadka to it. Take a tadka pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The oil heat. Now add 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 2 red dry chillies, some curry leaves. Keep the flame low and keep stirring. Now add some urad dal. tadka is almost ready. Now add this tadka into the pachadi. Okay, and give it a nice mix. This is how your coriander tomato pachadi looks like, or you can say your kothimeer tomato pachadi looks like. It's tasty, yummy, sour, tangy and spicy. You can have it with chapati or rice. I will definitely have it with rice. Tasted yum, guys. So do try this at home and let me know in the comment section. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Love you and see you in the next video.